Welcome to the Bomber Wing Factory, where you'll see how raw timber and aluminum become giant aircraft wings.
All right, man, heave. 1, 2, 3. Heavy one. All right, set it down easy. We need another cart over here. Lower it slowly now. Watch the...
This one has too many knots. Put it in the reject pile.
What about this sheet? Is it 3mm?
Yes, send it through.
Take a look at this one here, near the center. The crimp looks weak.
You're right. We better isolate this lot.
Aluminum sheets are softened in a warm zone to prepare for shaping.
All right, easy now. Guide it into the jig, nice and easy. Steady now, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Clear on the left, bring it in.
Okay, the alignment looks perfect according to the schematics.
Confirmed. Let's secure the next clamp.
Keep it steady on the left side. Watch the clearance.
Copy. Steadying the load.
Heave ho! Heave ho! One more push, lads. Okay, right there. Next one.
Bring it down 50 centimeters. Steady pull, 50 centimeters, aye. Looking good. Okay, run the torque wrench one more time. Got it, looks good to me.
All right, keep it coming slowly. Watch the hydraulic line. Almost through on this end. I see the lead pulling it out one now.
The aileron is riveted in place along the wing's trailing edge.
Curvature is within tolerance here, 0.05.
Understood. Recording that now.
pull it tighter on your end.
Okay, holding it.
Make sure the burlap is secure before we tie it off.
The pallet is reinforced with cross beams and iron brackets.
So that's 50 units total for this batch.
Confirmed. I'll make a note on the manifest.
This one's routed to the bomber assembly plant. Section 4.
All right, the manifest checks out. Verified.
Heave. All right, it's set.
Keep the tension balanced, Crane Alpha.
We are clear on the east side. Continue descent.
Steady now, keep it moving. All right, slow it down. Stop!
Confirm torque on joint 4.
Confirmed, Supervisor. Moving to the next.
That wing looks solid, Captain.
She's ready for duty, sir.